Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today onwards from this video I am going to cover private medical colleges of Haryana state, and today in this video I am going to talk about a semi-government college, a government aided private college which is Maharaja Agrasen Medical College, Aroha Hisar. Aroha is the district of Hisar, and this college is in Haryana, which is affiliated with PTBD Sharma University of Health Sciences, Rohtak, and is recognized by MCI and is approved by NMC. This college was established in the year 2002 and provides total 100 seats for the MBBS course. This college is an old medical college which also provides PG courses like MD and MS, and total 24 PG courses are available in this college. If you want to take admission in this college, so first of all you need to qualify the NEET exam, and after qualifying the NEET exam you can enter the counseling process. So to enter the counseling process, you have to register through DMER Haryana, which is the counseling authority for Haryana state. So after registering there, you can do your choice filling, and after the seat allocation in the college, you can take your documents, submit your documents to your college, pay the fees, and you can confirm your admission in the college. So as we are moving further in the video, I am going to tell you about the MBBS fee structure and PG fee structure, and I am going to tell you about the cutoffs as well. So watch the video till the end, and I am going to cover everything about the college. So first of all, let's talk about the MBBS fee structure. So the tuition fees for the first 4 years will be 1,80,000 rupees, and for the final year it will be 90,000 rupees. The hostel fees is 19,000 rupees for 4.5 years, and the electricity charges will be 9,000 rupees for 4.5 years. Amalgamated fund is 1,500 rupees for 5 years, and the university fee is 3,840 rupees for 5 years. The security deposit amount is of 50,000 rupees, which is a one-time amount. You have to pay this amount at the time of admission, and this amount is refundable. Also, there is caution deposit, which is 6,000 rupees. This is also a one-time refundable amount. So the total amount that you need to pay at the time of admission for MBBS will be 2,49,340 rupees. Now let's talk about the PG fee structure. So the college fees is 1 lakh rupees for first year, and then for second year it is 1,30,000 rupees, and for third year it is 1,50,000 rupees. The hostel fees is 19,000 rupees, electricity charges are 9,000 rupees, amalgamated fund is 1,500 rupees, university fees is 2,750 rupees, and the security deposit and caution deposit दोनों मिला के होता है 36,000 rupees. So this amount is one-time amount, security and caution deposit, that you have to pay at the time of admission, and इसका टोटल मिला के होता है. सो फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए आपको टोटल अमाउंट पे करना होगा 1,68,250 रुपीज़, एंड सेकेंड ईयर के लिए 1,62,250 रुपीज़, एंड थर्ड ईयर के लिए 1,82,250 रुपीज़. Now I'm going to tell you about the cutoff for MBBS. So for general category state quota 665 marks, for EWS category 658 marks, for SC category 594 marks, for BCB category 660 marks, for BCA category 650 marks, and for general physically handicapped 234 is the cutoff. Now I'm going to tell you about the campus and hostels of the college. So this college is spread across 267 acres and provides facilities like library, hostels, laboratories, cafeteria, sports, medical facility, auditorium, transport facility, Wi-Fi, research facility, student support services, and the total faculty count in the college is 152, and the hostels are there for both boys and girls. There are 42 rooms for girls hostel and 52 rooms for boys hostel, and there are 100 rooms for interns and residents. Now I'm going to tell you about the connectivity of the college, or how you can reach to the college through various modes of transport. So Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, it is 196 kilometers away from the college, and it will take around 4 hours to reach to the campus. And the Hisar railway station, the Hisar railway junction, is 25 kilometers away from the campus, and it will take 35 minutes to reach to the campus. and the Aroha bus stop is within 5 minutes of distance from the college. Now I will tell you about the seat distribution of PG courses. So for MD Microbiology there are 2 seats, for MD Forensic Medicine there are 2 seats, for MD Biochemistry 3 seats, for MD Anesthesiology 9 seats, for MD Physiology 2 seats, for MD MS Ophthalmology 3 seats, for MD Pathology 8 seats, for MD Pharmacology 2 seats, for MD Community Medicine 2 seats, MS जनरल सर्जरी के लिए 10 सीट्स है, MD MS एनाटॉमी के लिए 2 सीट्स, MS ऑर्थोपेडिक्स के लिए 7 सीट्स अवेलेबल हैं कॉलेज में. सो पीजी के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी और पेशेंट फ्लो भी अच्छा है हॉस्पिटल का. सो देयर विल बी अ ग्रेट क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर दैट यू विल गेट इन द हॉस्पिटल. अब बात कर लेते हैं हॉस्पिटल के बारे में ही. सो 550 बेडेड हॉस्पिटल है इधर एंड MBBS स्टूडेंट स्ट्रेंथ है 396, PG स्टूडेंट स्ट्रेंथ है 66 एंड फैकल्टी है 214 एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ है 110 एंड जो डेली पेशेंट फ्लो है OPD में वो है 2500 पेशेंट्स पर डे एंड जो मेजर सर्जरीज होती है पर डे की वो है अराउंड 40 एंड माइनर सर्जरीज 81 पर डे होती है. So this was all about Maharaja Agreshan Medical College. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below or you can contact on the number given on the screen. And if you want to know about our counseling services or want to purchase our internal details plan, so the detailed explanation of how to avail the benefits from our counseling is provided in a video, the link of which I have attached in the description box below. And also you can take our free guidance by joining our Telegram channel and stay updated by following our page at @accidental doctor on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you.